differentiation product rule for differentiation. Let u and v be any two functions of x, then product d by dx derivative of uv equal to first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first. That is for u into d by dx of v plus v into du by dx of v. First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Quotient rule. Next, if u and v are into functions of x, quotient rule for differentiation is d by dx of u by v equal to denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by denominator square. That is u by v is the denominator into derivative of numerator, v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. Chain rule for differentiation. If y is a function of x, then dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. Similarly, we can write dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dv into dv by dx. This is chain rule for differentiation. You have to by heart the formulas and we can do problems easily.